I just picked up the new Cinnamon Swirl Palette from Too Faced. Today I'm going to show you 3 easy looks using this palette. And for more makeup tips, you can follow me on Instagram at Kathleen Color. So let's get started. For an elegant glam look, start with YSL's Touche Claw Foundation. Next, I applied NARS bronzer in Laguna for a sun-kissed look. For blush, I applied Lancome's blush palette in Rose Blush. To add glow, I applied Lancome's Dual Finish Highlighter in Sparkling Peach to the top of my cheekbones, down the center of my nose, and on the Cupid's bow. For eyes, I started with Ready Set Bake all over my lids. Next, I mixed Food Court and Stay Current in the crease. I then wrapped both colors under my eyes for framing. For my lid, I used Sticky Fingers. For brightness, I applied Gooey Goodness on the inner corners of my eyes. At this point, use your favorite mascara or lashes. I already have lashes on, so I applied Lancome's Definitions Mascara to my bottom lashes. To finish the look, I applied Lancome's lip liner in Portel and followed up with MAC's lipstick in Snob. To clean up shadow fallout, I used NARS Creamy Concealer. And here's my elegant glam look. For a neutral look, I started with e.l.f.'s Poreless Putty Primer and pressed it into my pores for a smooth canvas. Next, I applied Bite's Changemaker Foundation to even up my skin tone. I then brushed NARS bronzer to the highlights of my face. To prime my eyes, I applied MAC's Paint Pot with my fingers from lash to brow. Next, I applied Doughboy all over my eyes. For the crease, I applied Cinnamon Swirl for shape and definition. I then wrapped Cinnamon Swirl under the eyes for framing. For glow and brightening, I applied Sticky Buns on my lids. I then added Gooey Goodness to my inner corner for a wide awake look. To smooth the under eye, I used NARS Creamy Concealer. I already have lashes, so I finished my eyes with L'Oreal's Telescopic Mascara. For lips, I applied Lancome's lipstick in Oh My and lined my lips with Lancome's Almondel Liner. Last but not least, I used Lancome's Brow Shaping Pencil in Chestnut to shape and fill in my brows. And here's my easy neutral look. My third look is a fun party look. I started with Dior Air Flash Foundation. Next, I set my makeup with Laura Mercier's translucent powder. I then used Lancome's blush palette in Plum Elegance and swiped the middle shade on the apples of my cheeks. For glow, I used Lancome's Dual Finish Highlighter in Sparkling Peach. For contour, I used the dark shade from the blush palette. For eyes, I started with Flower Power and swiped it all over my eyes. Next, I applied Sticky Buns in the crease. For sparkle, I used my finger and dipped it in Sweet and Spicy and smoothed it across my lids. For a little framing, I wrapped Sticky Buns under the eyes. To add a little more drama, I applied Batter Up in the outer corner in the shape of a V. I added Lancome's Definitions Mascara to the bottom lashes, and I used false lashes on the top. To catch all the fallout and to smooth the under eye area, I used NARS Creamy Concealer. And to finish the look, I applied Lancome's El Absolute Rouge lipstick in Caprice and lined my lips with Lancome Raisinberry. Here's the final look. These were my 3 looks, but I'd love to see yours. There are endless possibilities with this palette. You can tag me on Instagram at Kathleen Color. Hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Remember, life is better in color.